Hello, welcome to Raindrop Story Time. Today I'm going to be reading a story titled All Are Welcome by Alexandra Penfold and Suzanne Kaufman. Picture of a city, buildings, people walking. All are welcome. Pencils sharpened in their case. Bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase. All are welcome here. No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play, or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. In our classroom, safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here. Gather now, let's all take part. We'll play music, we'll make art. We'll share stories from the heart. All are welcome here. See them listening to a story also. Time for lunch, what a spread. A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it around till everyone's fed. All are welcome here. And none should be hungry. Open doors, rush outside. We will swing, we will slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. Foursquare, they love that. Tetherball, they love that. We're part of a community. Our strength is our diversity. A shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. We will learn from each other. Special talents we'll uncover. There's a big world to discover. Ooh, slime. Look at that. Remember you were playing with slime? Dinosaurs. Rawr. Look at that. DNA. Volcano. Ooh, little bugs. And, oh, look at all the planets there. All are welcome here. Looks like they're celebrating the Lunar New Year with the dragon. Look at that. So much to learn, so much to do. And when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back, start anew. All are welcome here. Head for home to get some rest and greet tomorrow ready and fresh. Our time together is the best. See all the things that friends can do together. All are welcome here. You have a place here. It seems like it opens up this way. You are welcome here. Let's see if I can hold this whole thing open. Okay, you see everything going on. Let's see if I can. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let me try and fold it back. As you can see, probably tell, This is the first time I have read this book. First time I even noticed that page open like that in the back. I just saw it at the store and I glanced through it and I just thought it was a beautiful story with the necessary message for all of you. So, here in this world, anywhere in this world, hopefully you will be and feel welcomed by the other people around you. And as you see in schools and with your teachers and with your families and neighbors and friends in your neighborhoods as well. It doesn't matter where you come from, what language you speak, what you look like, the color of your skin, how much money you have, type of place where you live and sleep, and all of those things. You are beautiful and you were made to be in this world. Hope you enjoyed it.